Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style nostalgic home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage style nostalgic home decor is all about bringing the warmth, charm and emotional comfort of the past into your home. It combines treasured heirlooms, time-worn beauty, and sentimental touches that evoke sweet memories of bygone eras. Here is an expert-level guide to achieving this timeless and nostalgic style. Essence of nostalgic vintage decor. This style celebrates the beauty of imperfection and the stories behind old things. It is not just about decorating. It is about creating memories. Think of it as giving your home a living history, filled with items that look like they have been passed down through generations. Key design elements: East finishes. Embrace distress wood or that metals and faded fabrics that tell a story. Use soft muted colors. Use creamy white, faded rose, mint green, antique gold, dusty blue, or sepia tones. Curved silhouettes. Choose furniture with gentle lines, like windows and ornate mirrors, cloth tables. Layered textures combine lace, linen, chains, crochet, and velvet for a cozy, all-loved atmosphere. Signature vintage pages, antique clocks, and retro radios for timeless nostalgia. Use old photo frames with sepia or black and white family pictures. Vintage suitcases repurposed as side tables or storage. Use iron bed frames, hand-painted dressers, and Victorian lamps for old-world charm. Porcelain teacups and embroidered linens for delicate elegance. Nostalgic accents and styling tips display memorabilia. Showcase cherished keepsakes. Love letters, postcards, or old books. Mix eras gracefully. Blend items from the 1920s to 1960s to create a layered, connected look. Add floral motifs. Use floral wallpaper, cushions, or curtains for that nostalgic softness. Warm lighting. Use amber-toned bulbs, lampshades, and candles to create a gentle glow. Vintage art and print. Hang botanical illustrations, old advertisements, or classic landscapes. Nostalgic corners to create: fruiting nook, a wine-back chair, a lace doily, a teacup, and a soft blanket. Perfect nostalgia corner. Vintage kitchen. Use enamellar floral teapots, old recipe books, and checkered tablecloths. Bedroom retreat, iron bed, crocheted coverlets, floral chops, and soft lamp light. The emotional touch. A nostalgic vintage home is not about perfection, it is about feeling. Each piece should remind you of a story, your grandmother's vase, an old clock soft tick, or the scent of wood polish. It is a decor style that traps your home in warmth and memory. The heart of nostalgic vintage decor. Vintage nostalgic decor is more than just a style. It is a sentimental journey through time. It captures the sense of comfort, familiarity, and emotional storytelling. Every item in your home should have meaning. a link to the past that reminds you of simpler, heartfelt times. It draws inspiration from several eras, mostly the 1920s through the 1970s, when craftsmanship, romantic details, and domestic charm are celebrated. The result is a space that feels lived in, loved, and personal. The mood and atmosphere. The nostalgic vintage look has a distinctive mood, soft, welcoming, and timeless. Lighting, pink warm amber tones, not bright white, lamps with plated shades, or soft fairy lights create that golden hour warmth. Scents. Add comforting fragrances. Old book, dried lavenders, or vanilla candles evoke emotional nostalgia. The goal is to make every corner feel like a memory. Signature materials and finishes. To recreate that nostalgic authenticity, use wood, lightly distressed, whitewashed, or natural oak, metal, used brass, old iron, or patina finishes. Fabrics, floral cotton, linen, lace, crochet, and faded velvet. Fabric, floral cotton, linen, lace, crochet, and faded velvet. Glass and porcelain. Hand-painted ceramics use used glassware or milk glass pieces. These materials instantly add warmth and heritage charm to your home. Key decor inspiration. Vintage living room. A tufted sofa with floral cushions, lace towels on side tables, an old trunk or suitcase as a coffee table. Use a gramophone, retro clock, or vintage style wall art. Vintage kitchen. Use open shelving with enamel art, glass jars, and floral crockery. Ticket curtains or embroidered tablecloths. Also use copper pots and retro appliances. Vintage bedroom. Iron bedroom with a crochet bedspreads. A vanity with a round mirror and perfume bottles. A quilted blanket or patchwork throw. Personal touches that tell stories. This is how nostalgic vintage decor become truly magical. Display heirlooms. Even an old out book or a chipped vase and soul. Frame memories, old postcards, handwritten recipes, or vintage magazine covers. Mix old and new. A modern sofa paired with antique side tables. Keep the look timeless yet livable. The feeling it creates, a nostalgic vintage home, feels like a warm embrace. It is perfect for those who love history, charm, and emotional depth. Every texture, scent, and sound works together to make you feel grounded, as if your home has a soul. It is not about copying a ticket. It is about creating an atmosphere that celebrates life, memory, and beauty in imperfection. The origins and philosophy of nostalgic vintage decor. Vintage nostalgic decor emerged from the desire to preserve the soul of the past in modern living space. It began gaining popularity in the late 20th century as people longed for the warmth and craftsmanship of earlier times, a contrast to today's fast, minimalist world. It celebrates sentimentality. Every object carries emotional or historical value. Simplicity. Life felt slower and more meaningful, and the decor reflects that. Authenticity. Use real materials, handcrafts, and aged charm are prized over perfection. In short, nostalgic vintage decor is about living with beauty that has a story. Emotional core, creating a living memory. Unlike other styles, nostalgic decor speaks to the heart. It echoes emotions. Perhaps your grandmother's kitchen, an old countryside home, or the cozy simplicity of mid-century living. Each element serves an emotional purpose. Time on furniture equal a reminder of patience and endurance. Faded fabrics equal the softness of years gone by. Old photographs equal connects to loved ones and legacy. It is a decor style where the emotional experience matters as much as the aesthetics. Furniture and design details. The furniture in nostalgic vintage decor combines charm, craftsmanship, and comfort. Typical features: curved lines, gentle silhouettes, and curved wood details. Cabriole legs and ornate handles, fountain dressers, chairs, and vanities. Distress finishes, slightly on paint or rubbed edged, to give a lived-in appeal. Mixing periods. Combine Victorian pieces with mid-century finds for a storybook look. Examples are weathered farmhouse tables surrounded by mismatched chairs, a vintage vanity with a round mirror and antique perfume bottles, a floral upholstered chair, paired with a crochet drawer. Textiles and fabrics. Textiles define the soul of a nostalgic home. The soft and every room choose cotton and linen for authenticity, lace curtains for romance, floral chains for fitted tall for classic English charm, crochet, patchwork, and embroidery for handcrafted warmth, layering fabrics like chopped lace over a wooden dresser or stacked quilts at the foot of a bed, and a tender, cozy look. Color palette and patterns. The nostalgic vintage palette is always soft, muted, and gracefully edged. Main tones: cream, ivory, faded beige, and antique white. With pastel rose, lavender, chess cream, powder blue, and battery yellow. Accents in brass, faded gold, and antique brown. Patterns: tiny floral prints reminiscent of the 1930s to 1940s. Use soft gingham, taking stripes a tone for nostalgic charm. Experience in subtle ways to create the collected of a time effect. Lighting and ambience. Lighting in nostalgic vintage decor is warm, dim, and golden, never harsh. Use table lamps with plated or embodied shades. Use vintage candlelight or crystal chop pendants, candles, and lanterns to create flickering warmth. This golden hue enhances the emotional depth of your decor, making evenings feel magical and cozy. Accessories and finishing touches. This is how nostalgia truly blooms. Add framed black and white photos or sepia portraits. Use old clocks, typewriters, or vintage radios. Use china teacups, porcelain figurines, or lace doilies. Stacked books, floral vases, and embroidered napkins. Rich signet or hand-painted wooden plaques. Display items on open shelves or glass cabinets so they become visible memories. A state of hidden treasures. Styling secrets for a true nostalgic look. Layer with intention, mix textures and objects that tell a story. Use Ace gracefully, don't over polish, impress patina and hair. Mix decades, 1930s florals with 1950s enamel, 1960s prints with antique frames. Personalize. Include your family photos, love letters, or childhood keepsakes. Keep comfort first. Nostalgia trips in warmth, softness, and accessibility. Nothing should feel too precious to touch. The timeless appeal. The reason nostalgic vintage decor never goes out of style is because it connects heart and home. It creates a peaceful heaven from modern chaos, a space filled with memory, comfort, and authenticity. It reminds us that beauty does not come from perfection, but from stories, emotion, and time. This is what makes it so deeply comforting. It is familiar, sincere, and timelessly human. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me.